Welcome to PSLE Maths, where you find solutions to PSLE math problems. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you. Let's look at a 4-mark question from Raffles Girls Primary 2019 SA1 paper. This is question number 15. It was asked by one of our subscribers. There were 850 pairs of shoes produced in a factory. Each pair of female shoes was sold at $45. Each pair of male shoes was sold at $39. When all the shoes were sold, the amount of money collected from the sales of female shoes was $12,210 more than the amount of money collected from the sales of male shoes. How much money was collected from the sales of male shoes? And round your answer to the nearest $100. Okay. The total pairs of shoes is given as 850, out of which some are male shoes and some are female shoes. We need to find out the number of male shoes to find the amount of money collected from the sales of the male shoes. We are going to do this using assumption method. In assumption method, we will assume any one of those as the complete set of shoes. For example, if we want to find the number of male shoes, we'll assume everything to be female shoes. So what happens when we assume all the shoes to be female shoes? 850 pairs of female shoes and 0 male shoes. So what would be the cost of 850 pairs of female shoes? It is $38,250. The difference between the cost of all the female shoes and all the male shoes is the complete $38,250. But we know from the the sales of female shoes was only $12,210 more than the amount of money collected from the sales of male shoes. That means our calculation is $26,040 more in their difference. So we need to reduce the difference. So if we remove one female shoe and replace it with one male shoe, what happens? The difference reduces. It not only reduces by $45, which is the cost of one pair of female shoes, it also reduces by $39, which is the cost of one pair of male shoes. So the new difference is lesser than the previous difference by $45 plus $39 is $84. So each time we replace one female shoe by one pair of male shoes, the total cost difference reduces by $84. But we know that we need to reduce the total difference from 38,250 to 12,210 because that's what is given in the question. So the difference that we have to bring down is $26,040. How many pairs of female shoes need to be replaced by male shoes? That's 26,040 divided by $84 is 310 pairs of shoes, which means at first we assumed all the pairs of shoes to be female shoes, out of which, out of the 850, we replace 310 pairs of shoes by male shoes, and the remaining is still female shoes. Then we would have the difference between the money collected from the sales of female shoes to male shoes would be 12,210. So once we get the number of male shoes, we know that each pair of male shoes was sold for $39. So the cost of those is $12,090. The answer is asked to be rounded off to the nearest $100. So that's $12,100. That's the answer for this question. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more problem sums. If you have a specific question that you would like to see a video on, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.